How to Make Money with ChatGPT for Beginners Step by Step 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be telling you an amazing way to make money in 2022. Yes, everyone nowadays is out there to make money, and they obviously want to do jobs that they can do from sitting home because that's much more easier and much more convenient. So I am here to tell you about a great way that you can sit at home and do a job that won't even make you do a lot of work. The work will be done for you through an AI, and it's very simple and it's very easy. And I'm going to ask you to do it right away because obviously it's a new software and a lot of people are slowly starting to use it. So I just recommend that you start to use it as well, just to make a lot of money for yourself. So I'm going to explain the whole AI process to you. It's going to be very simple. It's going to be very easy. And all I want you to do is watch this video till the end and just listen to all the things and instructions I have to say. And if you do that, I guarantee you that you're going to properly know how to make money using just an AI software sitting at home doing very little work. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, what we're going to do is we're obviously going to discuss the AI that we're going to work with. So the AI is called ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is basically a project of a company called OpenAI.com. Now, this is the website of OpenAI.com. This is what it looks like. You can go and check it out. They have all these different ideas and projects about shaping the future of technology, etc. It's amazing stuff. But this is the software. It's called ChatGPT. They released it just like I think 2 weeks ago or something, and it's amazing. Let me show you what ChatGPT really is about. ChatGPT is basically an optimizer for language models or dialogue. Basically, what happens is, if you see an example down here, if some code is not working, you paste the code, and ChatGPT then corrects the code for you, or maybe finds the error. Or if you don't understand this, we can come here. If you ask it, how do you break into someone's house? And they basically start telling you, obviously it's going to give you a warning that it's not appropriate to discuss this because it's crime. But if you do like, actually, I'm wondering how to protect my home, then it starts telling you these ways. And there's just much more examples that you can check out right here. And if you still don't get what it really is, I'm going to show you right now, and then I'm going to show you how to make money off of it. So to start, or just go to ChatGPT, we're going to come to the ChatGPT blog and come down here and click on Try ChatGPT. Now, once you come here, it says, welcome to ChatGPT, log in with your OpenAI account to continue. Now, if you don't have an account, you're just going to click on login. But if you don't have an account, you're going to click on sign up. But if you do, just click on login. I don't, so I'm just going to go on sign up really quick. Now, once I go on sign up, I'm going to create my account. So I'm going to use a temporary email for now, but what you can do is I just recommend that you use your proper full-fledged email, because from that what happens is that you're going to have to create multiple accounts if you use a temporary email like me. So I just recommend you don't do that. So I'm just going to put that in. I'm not a robot. Then you're just going to fill in their verification methods. It's very simple, very easy. And then you're going to continue. Now, obviously, it's going to ask you for a password. Make sure to create a strong one that obviously is unhackable. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue. And what the OpenAI website is going to do is it's going to properly make your account, and then it's going to sign you up into the ChatGPT. Then it asks you to verify your email. You're just going to go to your email. I'm going to click on this. And then I'm going to click on verify email address. Now, once you click on verify email address, it properly verifies your email. It asks for your name, so just make sure to enter your name properly. Once you do that, you're going to continue. You're going to add in your phone number. I'm just going to add in mine right now. And then obviously they're going to send you a code. So just wait for the code. I'm going to wait for it, and then I'm going to get back to you. Now, I just got my code. It's 655964. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get, obviously we're just verified, and now we're going to go on board to the OpenAI and ChatGPT software. Now, this is where it opens it up. ChatGPT free research preview, etc. It gives us its information, and you can just go through the feedback, etc. Now we're here, and this is the ChatGPT dashboard, and it's not much. I know it's not much, but let me just tell you what's going to happen now. Now, if I write how to make a cake, let's write that, and I'm going to add a question mark at the end of it, and I'm going to enter it. Now look at that. I just wrote that, and to make a cake, you will need the following ingredients. And look at that. It gave me the ingredients. Now it's going to tell me the proper recipe. And then it gives me the different cake recipes. Like here's a simple recipe for a basic vanilla cake. And it just keeps on giving me information. And it's so amazing. It's so great that just by writing this one question, it's giving me more information than Google itself. And Google is an amazing software to give you any information that you require. So now that you know what it does, let me just give you another example. Let's ask it a question. What year was, let's say, Joe Biden born? Let's just write that. And Joe Biden was born on November 20th, 1942. Look at that. So it's just amazing. It's a very good software to get any information, and this AI will give any information to you. Now, as for when it comes to how to make money off of this, for that, what we're going to need to do is we're going to go on Fiverr. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is a great freelancing marketplace where you can make money by freelancing and doing any kind of thing you're talented at. Now, once you're here on Fiverr, there are different working design like website design, WordPress, logo designs, video editing. These are jobs that people put up on Fiverr that they get paid for. So a job that you can get money from ChatGPT is you can write in product description. Now, if you write product description, down here, look at this. All these different people write descriptions for all different products. I will write product description for Shopify, etc. And all these people have different Shopify or other Amazon dropshipping product descriptions. Now, what they do is that, for example, if you have any product on Shopify and you want a proper description on that product, let's say you have a microwave. So what you can do is you can put up an ad on Fiverr that you can write product description. Now, if someone wants a microwave description for you, you can go on ChatGPT and write microwave product description. And then you can write for formal purposes. You can write that down. There we go. And if you enter that, what ChatGPT does is it starts giving you a description for microwave. This microwave is obviously you're going to have to make some changes in the places where it says a microwave. You're going to put in this microwave is a small portable appliance used for heating, etc. And then you can write give more information. And if you write that down, what it's going to do is it's going to give you more information about it, and you can copy all of this, and then you can obviously you're going to have to optimize it a bit because there was a lot of things where it says or basically you're going to have to change the similes, vowels, etc. You can change all of that, and once you do that, you're going to be set. You're going to have the greatest AI generated description, and you can work around with that amazingly. And this is why ChatGPT is great, and that is how you can make money from ChatGPT. Now, if you found this video helpful, please drop a like. I will appreciate it a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this related to ChatGPT or money making methods, please let me know. I will make them for you ASAP. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.